In 2017, I entered the HOG ABCs of Touring challenge. I visited 26 of places for the A to Z, including X, 2 national forest parks, 30 county district countries, 1 facility, 7 rallies, and 51 dealers. That adds up to 124 points. However, due to some technicality, they deducted 51 points for them. The technicality was that I didn't submit the business cards with the dealer photos. I still managed to get enough points to get all the prizes, except obviously first, second, third. And they have just arrived. It's taken a while. It's now May. I obviously completed it in December last year, but they have finally arrived. And they've arrived. I've crossed off my address there. But realised what was in here, and I thought I'd do an unboxing video. So, but this is exciting. I've don't know what's in there. Obviously, I sort of saw a bit because I ripped open it. Oh, that's what it is. Fantastic. I can see this must be the selfie stick. Okay, let's have a look. So what have we got in here? Okay, so nice gold colour there. The carabiner, I think it's called. Let's open this up. Yeah, just as I try and do a video, someone's cutting down a tree. Right, anyway. So we've got a HOG carabiner. I think that's what they're called. Yeah, okay. We've got another HOG carabiner, except this one's silver. Maybe it's a colour coordination for whether you got one of the custom black. I don't know. And a much nicer looking one. A nice gold. This one looks lovely. A bit bigger. Made of aluminium. Pretty light. It doesn't say ABCs or anything though. So just generic HOG. I wonder if you can just buy these anyway from any old dealer. Okay. So that's these. What else we got in here? Oh, what's this? Aha. Is it a tea towel? No, it's a bandana. ABCs. Of course I knew it was a bandana, but it looks like a tea towel. Guess I'm gonna have to learn how to do a bandana. Very nice. So it's thin, it's standard kind of, seems reasonable quality. Got the logo there, you've got ABCs, and you've got the Harley orange. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. What's we got? Anything else in there? Ooh. That's it. Right, we've got some, looks like pen badge. ABCs of Touring, 2017. Very nice. Very nice. Yep. I'll have to go my jacket. And we've got a pen. Standard fare. Very nice. And the top prize, the one when you get some like 60 odd points, I can't remember. This must be the selfie stick. It's quite heavy. Okay. Ooh, that's nice gold. It feels really heavy, this one. Right. Wow. Oh, look at that. I know not many people have got one of these. That is fancy. Wow, it feels really, really solid. Alright. So we've got, that's where you put your phone in. Got something for tightening it, and we've got this. Ah. Yeah. That is for controlling the, must be this button here. Interesting, I'll come to that in a minute. So, put your phone in here, plug this in, and then you can press this lovely gold coloured button to take the photo. This doesn't come off, it's got a strap. Let's extend it. Yeah, it's reasonable length. I don't know if it's going to be quite long enough to be able to take the selfie with the bike, with the magazine, with the dealer. The reason I mentioned that is because 2018, 50% of your photographs need to have you in it, not 10 pictures, but now it's 50% of the photos you have to be in the picture. So this may be okay. Now, what's interesting is iPhones don't have these sockets anymore. So you'd have to use the adapter or something like that. So this may well not work with a iPhone. Now, considering how expensive Harleys are, I expect a fair portion of the owners have got iPhones. But this looks lovely. It was really high quality and a lovely gold here. Nice logo. I just want to press that button. Excellent. Well, there we are. For many weeks of time, effort, thousands of pounds on travelling, petrol, servicing, plus the memories. There's the winnings for ABCs of Touring 2017. Very nice.